I know what you think about AI. You think it's complicated. You think it's for tech people. You think it's going to take your job or replace something real with something fake. You've seen the think pieces, you've heard the debates, and maybe part of you is just not sure you trust it. I hear you. I really do. Because I was skeptical too. But I want to show you something. Because what AI actually looks like in my day to day life, in my business, in my content, in the way I move, is nothing like what the headlines make it out to be. It's simpler than you think, and it might be the thing that gives you your time back. Let me tell you what AI is not. It's not a replacement for you. It's not going to think for you, feel for you, or build your vision for you. It doesn't have your story. It doesn't have your energy. It doesn't have the thing that makes you, you. What it does have is the ability to handle the parts of your work that are draining your energy and eating your time. The parts that don't require your magic, they just require effort. And that's where AI comes in. I think of AI like a really smart, really fast assistant who never gets tired, never judges me, and always shows up ready to work. That's it. That's the whole thing. I don't have a tech background. I studied marketing. I work in fintech. I am not a developer. I have never written a line of code in my life. And I built an AI-powered strategy tool, a full content system, and a digital product suite, using nothing but AI tools and the knowledge I already had. If I can do it, I promise you can too. Here's what AI looks like in my actual life on a regular day. When I have a content idea, I don't sit alone trying to figure out if it's good. I open Claude or ChatGPT and I talk it through like I'm talking to a business partner, someone who knows my brand, knows my audience, knows what I'm building. We brainstorm together. We pressure test the idea. We figure out if it's worth making. That used to take me hours. Now it takes minutes. When I need to create content, I don't set up a camera, do my hair, clear my background, and pray my kids stay quiet. I have an AI twin, a version of me that I built, my voice, my look, my vibe, that can show up on screen while I'm sitting on my couch in sweats. I create 2 weeks of content in 2 hours on a Sunday. That is what AI gave me back. Time, peace, presence. When I built my strategy tool, the soft strategy desk, I didn't hire a developer. I didn't take a coding course. I sat down with Claude and I described what I wanted to build, what problem it solved, what it needed to do. And we built it together. Conversation by conversation. It exists. It's live. People use it. And I built it with zero technical background. AI doesn't care that you don't have a degree in computer science. It meets you exactly where you are and works with what you've got. I think the fear of AI comes from a deeper place than just not understanding the technology. I think we're afraid that if we use it, somehow what we create becomes less ours, less real, less valuable. But think about it this way. When a photographer uses editing software, we don't say the photo isn't theirs. When a designer uses templates as a starting point, we don't say the work isn't theirs. The tool doesn't replace the vision. The tool serves the vision. Your ideas are still yours. Your story is still yours. Your brand, your voice, your why. AI can't touch any of that. What it can do is help you execute faster, show up more consistently, and build things you never could have built alone. That's not a threat. That's a gift. You would be amazed at what AI can do when you stop being afraid of it and start working with it. If you want to start somewhere, start with my free aligned content energy guide. It's a simple ritual that helps you show up to create from a grounded, aligned place. Even if you're using AI tools, the energy you bring to the work still matters. That's in the description. It's free. Go grab it. And if you're ready to actually experience what AI can do for your strategy and your business. The Soft Strategy Desk trademark is waiting for you. I built it for exactly this, for the woman who has a vision and just needs clarity on her next move. $47. Link is below. Subscribe. Share this with somebody who needs to hear it. And I'll see you in the next one.